Have you noticed ringing in your ears, muffled hearing, or pressure that just won't go away? Many people are surprised to discover these symptoms can be caused by impacted earwax. At Hythe, hearing first microsuction, earwax removal. Hythe, professional microsuction earwax removal, is helping patients in Hythe improve hearing clarity safely and comfortably. One of the biggest hearing health discussions online right now is the rise in hearing problems linked to modern lifestyles. More people are wearing earbuds and headphones for long periods every day, which may contribute to wax buildup by trapping wax deeper inside the ear canal. This is why microsuction has become one of the most recommended professional ear cleaning methods in the UK. Microsuction uses gentle suction and specialist equipment, while the audiologist carefully monitors the procedure using magnified visual guidance. If blocked ears are affecting your hearing or daily comfort, professional microsuction treatment in Hythe may help restore clearer hearing and improve your overall quality of life.